whatever you have taken from internet, it should be understood. If you are not
Yeah.
understanding that, then it is no use. If you
Yeah.
are understanding that, then fine. If you are not, then tell me. I will make you understand.
Yeah, I understood that, but tell me, see, I've directly declared these fields here. So
Hmm.
should I do them in the constructor, or if I do them here, is it fine?
Better do it in constructor. Okay.
Then
Uh,
what should I do here? Should I just declare
Name
this of,
string. Always declare variable with type, not any, with type st- string.
okay.
And create a constructor. Not use this. Create a constructor. Even not doing constructor, create a method in it and do that.
But
Correct
I
the
think you'll
spelling
be
of,
explaining me about those in next classes, right?
sorry.
I think you'll be explaining me about those methods in next classes.
Yeah. I will explain you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, explain. Okay, declare, assign it here. Values, all values, assign here. Did you understand this? ng4.
Yeah, I know loop ng4. Yeah.
Okay. And do you know about ng model in Angular?
I know it, but you can quickly tell me about all the bindings and all in
Hmm.
Angular.
So I will tell you about ng model today.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, there's some errors. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now, and did you understand this interface? You have declared this
Yeah.
interface and
So
assign
in
the
in
values.
in large scale applications, why do we use interface? Can you tell me?
Okay. See, scroll down. Scroll down. See, whenever we want to access the element of this object students, we can access it by name, like students dot name, student dot age, student dot grade. So it will be less error prone. Suppose if you are not taking a constructor here and you are just declaring the value of any, then it will be very confusing and it will not give you the compile time error. Suppose here, if you have taken name 1 and age 1, or by mistake you have misspelled the name, you have left the e, then it will not let you know about the error on compile time. If do one thing, instead of a student, make it any
Yeah.
any. See, now what you do in line number 30, remove e. Okay, save it. It is compiled. But on runtime, you will let you know that one name is missing. Got it? But now remove the e. Now it will inform you at compile time.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So that's why we take the interface. And one reason, this is the one reason. Other reason is for multiple values. Suppose you have one value like name up in the title. We have one value title. So you can take it a string, you can take it int, you can take it number, whatever. Email you can take, because this contains only one data. Okay. What if you need to maintain the multiple data, like in the student row, you need to maintain the multiple data, name, age, grade, email. Then we have no type. We have no predefined type that we can take. Do we have any type that we can take it instead of any? No.
Yeah. Here we
So
have four types, right?
we have four types: string, number. Basically, we have two types: number and string, and bool. Basically, three types in JavaScript or in type: number, string, and bool. So three type of values can declare like this: bool, name, string. But if a value is a combination of multiple values, then what you will do? Which type you will take? Got it?
Yeah.
Then we need to go with the interfaces. Okay. It is for the easiness. Otherwise, any is there. If you are not able to do anything and you are not thinking to take any interface, and you can take any, but it will inform you on compile time, on run time instead of compile time. Then it will tell you this is missing. But instead of but if you will take interfaces, then it will inform you at compile time that this is missing. Okay.
Okay, and in my project, where were interfaces defined?
Uh, in open your project, everywhere we have so many interfaces in your project. We have facility model, we have study model. Got
Yeah.
it? We have study detail model, we have facility detail model. There are so many interfaces in your project.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay. So let stop your screen. I will share my screen, and we'll study about ngModel, two-way binding.
Sharing your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Wait.
See, if this is only for me, then we can also make this 2 hours training at different time. What do you say?
2 hours. Not possible for me. Really, I have no time for that. My screen is visible.
Yes.
So here I have taken this copy string, a variable, and here in HTML I have defined this. What is the need of this? I have compiled this. See, this is the input box. That goes to text. Okay, so if you will compile this, see, you can see this error also. Actually, you need to understand the error also, what they're saying, and what you need to do to solve that. See, this command is not available when running the Angular CLI outside a workspace. If you have remembered, we have faced this error yesterday also. Did you remember?
Yes.
What was the solution?
We have to go into that folder.
Yes, you have to go into the folder. See, this is input text box. Then what we need to do now? We need to, whatever type here, we need to collect this in this variable, in this variable. And what we need to do, we need to print this variable.
What did you do?
I have just compiled this. Okay, it's taking time. So in that case, there is one thing, ngModel. Okay. To use ngModel, we need to use the forms module. We need to declare here forms module. See, whatever you will type here now. See, it is coming in this variable now. See, without ngModel, what happens? There is an input text box. Okay. There is ID also. Age. Okay. And in JavaScript, if you remember, what we need to do, we need to get this value of this text box. What we need to do? Document dot get elements by ID. Did you remember that? If you have used ever. So there is this document dot get element by ID. This is the basic method to get any element, and then we get the value of this value equals to ag dot value. This is the basic method of JavaScript to fetch the value of this text box. Okay. Then what Angular has does, Angular has introduced ngModel. This one. First number. Here you need to declare first number here, assign, and you need to declare here number. Okay, and if you will see this, so whatever I'm typing here, whatever I am typing here, it is coming here. How this is happening? We have bind this ngModel with the first number. So what will happen? This is two-way binding. Whatever we will type here, this will go inside this PS file, inside this, and will assign to this number. And what will you assign here? It will goes to the text box. See, got it? Are you there?
Yes, yes, I said yes.
You got it? Okay.
Yes.
So now what we need to do? We need to, now we can make a calculator. Okay. Now we have input text box, and we can take the value of this text box. We need to two text boxes, and uh, we need to add one label result. Then we need to add three buttons, one for plus sign, and one minus, one multiply, and one equals to. Okay, or not
Yeah.
equals to, just plus, minus, and multiply. When you click on plus, then two numbers should add. When you click on minus, then two numbers should subtract. When you click on multiply, then two numbers should multiply. Okay, so I am
Yeah.
stopping my screen. Now you need to do that.
I can do that after this call. Right now, you teach me, and
Okay,
after
you
this
can do it.
call,
You
I'll
can do
do
it
that.
after this call.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine, no issue.
Now in this 40 minutes, you teach me daily. Like,
Okay,
if I do it in this 40 minutes, then I think it will take too long to
okay,
complete.
okay. Then okay, you take your time, and you can do that. Okay. So next thing is this. We will ng if
You tell me about event binding.
event binding. Event binding will tell you. Event binding will tell you also. Okay. See about ng if. What is ng if? Okay. If number h or p, you can take the p also. Star ng if first number greater than 10, then show this message. Number is greater than 10. If number smaller than 10, number is less than 10. Okay. You know about ngif?
Yeah.
Okay. See, number is greater than 10. If I type 9 here, number is less than 9. See how this is working. ngif. So what ngif does? It removes this element. This element will not be on the page if this condition is satisfied. Okay. And if this condition is not satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, then this number will be visible. This tag will be visible. If condition is false, then this entire tag will not visible on the screen. Means it will not take the space.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the ng, and you have already used ng4. Okay. So let me use
Yes.
this one all once also. Uh, P you use in ol li item. Okay. So this is order list item. Okay, if you want to use the ng4 in ng4 you can use in array or in some direct with the 1 to 10. Like if you have an array string, or you can take number. See, there are two ways to declare arrays. Here you can declare this.
If we say array of type number array,
Array, number array. See, this way you can take you can declare the array, number array, need square bracket, and here you can assign the values. Whenever you declare the array, then you can only assign the values. If you want to push and values on the runtime, then you need to use the push method. This dot array dot push 6, this one. So ng4, ng4. Let
like almost JavaScript and TypeScript are they similar almost?
not similar. Actually, TypeScript is a wrapper on JavaScript.
Hmm.
Is a wrapper on JavaScript. On behind the code, it uses the JavaScript only. The code is converted to the JavaScript. See what I have, whatever I am telling to you. This is the JavaScript. This one.
Yeah.
This is the JavaScript. So this is very difficult to understand and to work by ID.
Hmm.
So what they have people is this. They have given a simple interface, simple syntax, like for ngModel. They have introduced with this ngModel all these things. But behind the code, if we will go into the behind the code, when this is converting into the JavaScript, when we compile it and when we build a package, then if you will go to that file, then you will see this get element by ID. This ngModel is finally converted to this JavaScript.
Hmm. Okay.
See, this is ng4. Item. Here, do you know the difference about let and where? What is let and what is where? Okay, I will tell you. So in JavaScript, what was there? There was a where variable, where declaration. Okay, where keyword. So we use the where here. Everywhere is where. TypeScript has introduced this let variable. Let is for small scope. If we declare where here, like if I declare where item, then it will be outside of the loop, outside of this constructor also. So where can be used anywhere. If I declare where, it can be used anywhere. You had to declare here, but item can be used anywhere. It will be accessible outside the block also. But let can be accessible inside the block only. In which block you will declare, it can be used only that.
Hmm.
So here we have used the keyword let, and then item. This is arbitrary. You can take anything. You can take index. You can take index, and here you can take array, whatever you have declared here, and this item. See, if you want to print this index, what will happen? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever you have declared here,
Hmm.
you declare 14 here. Here it is 14. Okay. They're coming in 1 minute. So this is clear for ng4 and ng if.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
colleague.
yeah, okay, fine. So now we will move to event binding. Event binding. One more thing is there.
Try to cover all the topics. Don't miss anything.
No, 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 no. We'll not miss anything. We'll cover all the topic. See, in this array, there are some more functions is there that you used heavily. Okay, I will let you know each function. Map function is there. Okay. So what map? Okay. So what map does? We have declared this array. Map, with the help of map, you can convert the number to any type. Like here, if each number you want to multiply by 2, then final array number, declare this, and in the final array, if you will print this final array, see, you will see this. See, each number is multiplied by 2.
How did you do that? Can you explain that?
See, what I have told you that map function, what it does, each number you can manipulate. Each number. See, what? What you will do, suppose you don't know about map function. So what you will do, if I will say I want to multiply each number by 2, so what you will do?
Individually multiply 2 with
Individually multiply
each
by
and every.
each and every element, and you will add a for loop here. Let index equals to 0, index smaller than this dot array dot length, index plus plus. Do you know this loop? Simple loop.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you will do here, instead of this, array, this dot array, index array, array, index, and into 2, and you cannot assign element directly. You need to use the push method to insert the element in array.
Okay.
Okay, see, this will do the same job. Fine. So
Okay.
map is replacement of all this thing. Instead of this 3 lines, you can do all this in single line using the map function.
Okay.
Got it? If you got it, then tell me. Otherwise, I will explain more.
Okay. Inside map, explain me once. In line number 22, so you will take
See, line
x.
number 22. What it
That is
will
an
do?
arrow function, right?
Arrow function. Do you know about arrow function?
Explain me once.
Okay. So if there is no arrow function, then what will happen? See, arrow function instead of this. If we will simplify this, then this will be written like this. So arrow function work like a function, like this final array equals to this dot array dot map multiply element. So see, multiply element. Instead of this, you can write number, value, number, number, return value into 2. See, this is the simplification of this, whatever I have written.
Hmm.
What I have written earlier, x into 2. Okay, and after this, what we can write also, we can use the parenthesis, then the done statement. See, all three are same. This one, all four are same. This one for loop, this one, and this one. So, how it will work? It will work. It will throw each an element every time to this function, and whatever it will return, it will push this into the array in this array directly. So it will entirely change the array, each one by one. What map will do, it will throw one by one element inside this function. Suppose we have 5 elements. So first element is 1, and it will throw 1 to this function. And what it will do, this function? Multiply value into 2. Value into 2 means 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means 2. Then final array at 0 index will have 1. 1 into 2 will have 2, sorry. Then second, it will throw the second number, that is 2. Then it will again multiply this number by 2. Then it will be 4. Then 3. Then it will be 6. Then 4. Then it will be 8. Got it?
Yeah.
So now you can use the map function and try to find in your application where map has been used and what it is doing. You can easily understand that. Okay, so your homework is you need to create a calculator. Got it?
Yeah, and are there any other methods for array?
There are so many methods of array. Okay, so we will discuss tomorrow about others method of the array. Okay, like
Okay.
we have, better is what you do. This is your homework. Okay, search other function, add, concat, okay, fill, filter, find index, flat map, for each, includes, index of, join, last index of. Okay, just go through with them with the help of net, and then we will discuss tomorrow. Then it will be easy for you to understand. If you will do your homework, then it will be very easy for us.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to create the calculator, and you need to study the array function
Of JavaScript or TypeScript?
here in TypeScript. See,
Okay.
just put an array and
Okay.
declare here. Whatever methods is coming, you need to study all.
Okay.
Okay, I need to tell me each and every one what is it doing.